today we're going to be making the mini stocking cap. Now for this, I would highly recommend a ruler. You don't have to have one, but it will make it much easier. Some scissors and some tape. First thing we want to do is we want to make a ring out of these. We want them to be about 1.75 inches in diameter. Voila. All right. This is going to be the bottom rim of our hat. All right, next, ooh, I love this purple. I'm going to use the purple. We're going to take our yarn and we're going to cut it into 12 inches. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to tape one end of this yarn to one end, and then we're just going to wrap it around the ruler until we run out of yarn, and then we'll cut it at that point. Going to do is we're going to pull this up just a little bit. Take your scissors and hold on to it because you'll need to cut at the other end too, and we don't want it falling off. So I'll hold it like that. Get that scissor slid up under there. Try to get under all of them if you can. All right, there you go. A whole bunch of 12 inches worth of string somewhere. Oh, there's our little one. That'll be perfect for our end of it. All right, so the next part is the most time-consuming part, but we're basically just going to do a series of slip knots. So you're going to get these two. Let's show you. We have these even. Or as even as we can. All right, we'll fold that in half. We're going to take that loop and come through here, and then we're going to feed these two pieces in like this. And tighten it a little bit, and we're just going to keep doing that all the way around. Now that we have our last one in, we'll make sure we poke through all these and that they're all down. Make sure we kind of squish things around so that all of the bottom of the thing is covered. Alright, now up close to the top here, we're going to take that spare piece of string we had. We're going to wrap it around and we're going to double knot it. You can pull on individual strings, kind of straighten things out if you need to. It's like there's some guys over here that are not wanting to come up into this very well. got this tied. What I really like is to put the pom-pom on it. So to do that, we invert this. Alright, and then we're just going to put some glue. Now obviously you can use hot glue instead, but this will work. You just have to make sure and let it sit long enough. And look at that! Isn't that the cutest little thing? There is your hat.